your eyes. Only got one night, just put your trust in me. Give me everything, I need your love tonight. So baby, please don't.
What is up, everyone? Chelsea Kush here. Welcome back to my channel. I just spit. I finally found a healthy barbecue chicken recipe. Really good. No dairy in the dressing. It's an avocado crema and it's sour. I added some spice to it. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry. I'm gonna jump into the recipe. Follow along and I'll show you how to make it. Okay. First, I'm going to start by turning my pan on high. Okay, now I'm just going to spray a little bit of olive oil cooking spray on my pan. And I'm going to add 2/3 cup of frozen corn. And we're going to let the corn sit on the pan for like 2 to 3 minutes before flipping it. Okay, my pan gets really hot. Kind of just want to check your pan because these look like they're done. Add a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of pepper, and stir that up. Woo! Ow, that burned me. Go ahead and season the front and back of the chicken with sea salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Okay, now you're just gonna want to spray the pan. Woo! And add your chicken. Add some barbecue sauce. Under the night sky for eternity. After you cook the chicken, you want to let it rest for at least 5 minutes. We're just going to set it aside and prep our other ingredients. With a large knife and a cutting board, you're going to lay your lettuce. And we're going to add 3 handfuls of spinach. Cucumber. I'll give you everything, so our bell peppers, our cilantro, and our red sliced onions. Make sure you have a sharp knife, and we're going to chop everything together. Now go ahead and chop up your chicken. Under the night sky for eternity. Now add your corn. Okay, now we're gonna make the avocado crema, and it's super easy. I'm gonna show you how to make it. I'm gonna show you how to make it in my blender. Any blender would work. I'm just gonna show you how to make this real quick, and then we're done. A half of an avocado. Okay. Add 1 cup of non-dairy yogurt. I use this Silk dairy-free, plain. Make sure it's plain, not sweetened. 3 cloves of garlic. A half a cup of cilantro leaves with the stems, and then the juice. We're gonna juice 1 lime. 3/4 cup of water. Sea salt. Pepper. And then I'm gonna add some of these red chili peppers because I think it tastes better with a little bit of spice. So now we're just gonna blend it up. Alright, you guys, we're done. I hope that was easy enough for you guys to follow along. And now I'm gonna try it and let you know what I think. That is good. I definitely want some more sauce though. I was just trying to be modest for the video, but I'm not eating it like that. I'm putting a little bit more. That's really, really good. It has a light, fresh flavor to it. So it's not a heavy, like a ranch creamy dressing. It is creamy though, but we use that non-dairy yogurt, so it's a little bit healthier and it's really good and fresh. It's perfect for like a barbecue. Like I said, I added those pepper flakes because I felt like the sauce was missing something, and that was definitely it. So if you don't want spicy, you don't have to add spicy. You can play around with the salt and the pepper to see how much you like. Definitely trying to cut my salt down, so not doing as much as I usually would. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. I am gonna go finish eating. We're gonna actually ride our bikes to the park right now, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!